Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I came back to the house yesterday. Just went straight to sleeping. I've been sleeping ever since I came back, and today I just decided that I want to make a sauce. I want to make I don't know what I'm going to call the sauce, but I know I want to make a sauce. And guys, there is a very big change in my face. There's this part. I think I'm going to go and look for the picture. I'm going to put the picture of my face. This is just 3 days of me commencing my skincare, like the new skincare I bought. And look at my face. It is fading out. Look at this other side. This side that was bad. The dark spots were dark spotting. This one, I actually picked it. Before I started the skincare, I actually picked my face. So it gave me this boil. So this is actually, it's just there, it's going. But then look at the black spots. They are fading off. Just look at it very well. I'm going to put how my face was before I started. I'm already beginning to see differences. I'm already beginning to see the change. And then also for my skin, from what you're seeing already, I am beginning to glow. Just 3 days. Well, because I'm using CeraVe on my face, and I'm also using the Kojisan soap. Although I got some recommendations where people were telling me that I shouldn't use the Kojisan every day, but I want to see result quickly, so I'm using the Kojisan. And to think that I've not even had my bath, and this is just me. We came back from the market. I and my husband, we came back from the market, and I just decided to come and tell you guys that this thing is working. I was actually in the kitchen. I am making stew. I've told you guys already. So I was in the kitchen making video, and then NEPA took their lights. And I want to start blending my pepper. So my husband has gone to buy fuel. So we want to blend and then begin the process. I just said, no. Let me come and tell you guys that wonder shall never end, because why is my black spot fading? Anyways, guys, I'm going to be keeping you guys updated on my skin progress, just so that if there is anybody out there that is suffering from black spots, acne, all of these things, if you want to try out the product I'm using, you can actually try them out. But for now, let's go to the kitchen. I want to make something very yummy and delicious. I'm so excited because I'm so excited. The earlier I start observing and knowing, say, me and you, no future of the same food, the better for me.
That's good. Good discovery.
Because why I put the same food where I put for myself to say, I go finish am. Now you don't finish it, you don't go take another one. I'm going to eat it later. So guys, I am fed up. It is almost as if I'm going to vomit the ones I've eaten. But then, let me show you guys my food. This is what is remaining. I was able to just eat small and remain this one. But my husband, not even sure they're not able to.